Converting back to standard form. So standard form is where you have x and y on the same side of the equal sign, okay? Where you have x and y on the same side of the equal sign. Now, the first thing that we did, or the first thing that we learned was going from standard to slope-intercept form, where we move the x term. So let's go back over those steps. To move this x term to the other side, what do we do? Add 3x because it's already minus, right? So we're going to add 3x.
And then 3x plus 12. Right?
No,
divide by 2.
not quite. Divide by 2. You divide by the coefficient of y. Divide by the coefficient of y. So you get y is equal to what?
3 over 2x plus 6.
3 over 2x plus 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay? That was solving for y. And whenever you solve both equations for y, or whenever both of them are in y equals slope-intercept form, you can use intersect method, what we learned on Thursday. Okay? Now, today we're going to go...
Learned on Thursday.
Thursday before the break.
Do you remember? No.
I just went over the steps.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay. So anyway, going back, so now we're going to work backwards. So whenever you work backwards, the first thing you're going to do, you're still going to move the x term first, but now you have to move it back to the left side. Now your x term is positive, so to move it to the left side, what do I do?
Negative.
Minus 2/3 x. Now, for it to be in standard form, remember, x has to be in the front. So you bring down x first. Negative 2/3 x plus y equals 4. Okay? Then you multiply, distribute, underline that, distribute by the denominator of the slope. Also, if the slope is negative, include the negative. The reason for this is because for it to be in standard form, a must be positive and it must also be a whole number, okay? So if this very first term is in fraction form, what you're going to do is you're going to multiply or distribute by the bottom number, by the denominator. If it's also negative, you include that as well. So that means we're going to distribute everything by what? Negative 3. And you also do that to the other side, okay? So negative 3, whenever you do that, what it does is it gets rid of this bottom. So you're left with just 2x. Just 2x. But you still have to distribute the negative 3 with the y. So negative 3y. And then on the other side, negative 12. And that is your equation in standard form. You need to know how to convert back to standard form to use the calculator trick that I'm going to show you tomorrow. But that is your answer right there. Two-step equation. Ready? No?
I actually wrote a Z instead of 2.
Nice. Remember, you said your brain has to brain. Oh. Okay. Well, my hand is over the microphone. Nice. Okay. What's the first step?
You transfer x.
So how do we do that?
You add 3/4.
We're going to add 3/4 x to both sides. Okay. So you get 3/4 x plus y. And bring down the negative 5. Thank you for putting that on my video. And the second step is what?
You make the x a whole number.
Make the x a whole number, so you distribute by the denominator. And the denominator is 4.
Negative 4.
Oh.
Just 4. If it's negative, multiply it by a negative. Here it was negative.
Where's the 4?
But it was negative, but minus changed to plus. So it's not negative anymore. Okay. So we distribute the 4. You can put it in the calculator if you don't believe me, but 4 times 3/4 gets rid of the 4, so you're left with 3x. 4 times y.
What? Oh. 4. Well, I mean.
4y. And on the other side, negative 5 times 4?
Negative 20.
Negative 20. Yeah.
Oh my eyeballs.
Yeah, when you distribute by the denominator, it just gets rid of it on the fraction.
Hey, on the example,
Mm-hmm.
what was the answer to
It was which
Oh,
root x
negative
minus
12.
3y is equal
Okay,
to
thank
12.
you.
Okay.
I forgot to put the negative 12.
Okay.
There was no negative 12.
Oh.
It actually was
It's
negative
actually
divided by
positive.
negative 3 spot.
Exactly.
What's the first step in number 2?
You
to
make the
subtract.
x go to the y.
Subtract whatever.
Subtract 1 over 5x minus 1 over 5x.
Wait,
So now it's a negative.
This time it is.
it's because you
I wonder.
So we are going to multiply by what?
negative 5.
Negative 3.
Distribute a negative 5.
I'm sorry. Where'd you
I
get
think
3
it's
from? Where would? Wait.
You distribute by the denominator.
Where'd you get 3 from? I get it now.
Distribute by the denominator, and if the denominator is negative,
You have to
also
do it by the
include
new
it.
Denominator.
So it's negative 5 times 1, right?
So it's negative 5 times negative 1/5, which just leaves it as 1x.
And on the other one, why did you do 4 times 4 is...
Because the denominator was 4.
Wait,
Red
I'm
is a little
so lost. But okay.
We have more examples. Negative 5 times y is,
Negative 5y.
and then negative 3 times negative 5.
She's just a little
Positive
sad.
15.
I don't think her brain is locked in today.
Oh, wait. Is it negative 5 times 1 is
She's
negative
telling you the
one.
answer.
I know, but I still get it. Never mind. Never mind.
Really lock in. You got this.
Never mind.
She's still eating pie at home.
Oh, no.
What?
I think she's too busy worried about if Texas is gonna be in the playoffs.
What?
Bro, they're not making the playoffs.
I don't even go for. What are they talking about? What are you talking about?
What do you mean?
If you don't go, then why you?
Basketball?
All right, here we go. Number 3. How do we move x back to the other side?
Minus 2.
Minus 2x.
What are you talking about?
Go for Texas.
Okay, so you bring down negative 2x first plus y equals negative 7. But this one doesn't have a denominator. You don't have to distribute by the denominator, but it is negative.
That's it.
So we need to change it to a positive. How do we do that?
You distribute.
2. Negative 2. Negative 1.
Distribute the negative 1.
Why
Where's the negative 1?
2
Because
over 1.
two-
Technically, the denominator is 1. Technically.
Okay.
So negative 1 times negative 2x is positive 2x. Negative 1 times y.
Minus or negative 1.
Mm-hmm. Negative 7.
7.
Yeah. We still have more examples.
Yay, that was
It's actually really not that difficult.
Ready? Number 4. Here we go.
What the?
I think I'm slow.
negative.
The first step, hold on. Let's
Watch
take
it
it slow.
Break it down.
The first step is to move x. X is positive, plus changes to minus.
Okay.
Oh shoot. Oh
Okay.
wait, never mind. Okay. So.
And now.
You bring down the x first.
Negative 5 over 8x plus y equals. Wait.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Negative
Now you distribute by the denominator. What is the denominator?
8.
But the fraction is also negative, so
Good
you include
job,
it.
Brandon.
Yes.
Yay.
The brain is braining. Okay. So now whenever you distribute by the denominator, it gets rid of the denominator. So you're left with,
Times 5.
Oh.
it'll just negative 5x. Or
so you
positive 5x, sorry.
Okay,
just
that
do
makes
denominator.
more sense.
Mm-hmm. And negative 8 times y, negative 8y.
Equals 3.
Here, if you haven't noticed, you're distributing by the denominator, so it gets rid of the denominator. You get 3. Now, if you don't understand what I'm saying when I say that it gets rid of the denominator, type it in the calculator. Negative 3 over 8 times negative 8 will give you a positive 3. But yeah, just type it in the
Wait, so I
calculator.
have a question.
Yes, what's your question?
So when we
Oh,
divide the first side, do we just put 5x or do we actually do negative 8 times negative 5?
Yes.
If you're going to type it in the calculator,
Uh-huh.
type it the way it's written.
Yes.
Okay.
yes.
Oh.
Okay.
It'll get rid of the negative 8. You can put the negative on the
Clear.
You can put the negative on the 8. It doesn't matter. Oops, delete. But it'll still give you a positive. You can. It doesn't matter where you put it. You can put it in the front.
Pardon? Oh.
Pardon.
My hair's not
Scary. You can put it in the front. It'll still just.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Number 5. What's the first step?
Negative 3. I
So
mean,
the
Plus
plus
3x.
Plus 3x. So you bring down 3x plus y.
5.
Do we have to distribute with this one?
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
X is positive and it's a whole number. So with this one, you're done.
You're right.
X is positive and a whole number, so you're done. All right, last one. Ready?
Plus 4x.
Plus 4x.
That's it, 4.
Plus 4x.
So you get 4x plus y.
So it's just 4x plus y equals 5.
That's it. This one was, the last two were one steppers. Probably should have started with those, but it's okay.